G'day guys, Liam Fitzpatrick here. So this is the same day as the last video. This is the afternoon session. We went and had lunch at the pub. We're back out at another stretch of water. Gonna fish all afternoon. I got my first jig fish of spring, of summer this year. It's been 6 months. I've got the jig tied on. I'm just fishing jig all afternoon. This is gonna be sick. I still got Matty Reynolds here. I got Mitchell Annis Brown. We're going bass fishing. It's gonna be mad. Here we go. Huge out here, man. They are fat and in such good condition, dude. Oh, dude. Look at this pig Mitchell's just gone and caught. Holy shit, dude. There it is. Look at that thing. Holy hell, on the crossfire. That is a chunk, dude.
Crunched it and just demolished it.
Look at the size of that thing. Man.
Oh, get the hooks out and put him on the mat.
That's epic. Matty, this is huge.
Awesome work.
Oh, don't come off that. Look at that pig, man. That's a beast. We were still rigging up, getting shit out of the car, and Mitch has gone and done that to us.
I was just ginning around while you were playing up there.
Dude, it's a chunk, man. It's a chunk.
Come on.
If that is a sign of things to come.
Yeah.
Wow.
How cute is this little guy? Just going off the side.
What do you got there, mate?
Just a little spiker.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It is.
That was epic. That was epic, man. Look at this. Matty Reynolds has just spotted this guy.
Oh,
nice big carpet.
He'll be alright, he won't hurt you, mate.
No, he won't hurt you. He'll put some blood out there and here he comes.
Have a quick geezer.
Look at him. Here he is.
He's looking back at you.
Good eyes there. Good spotting.
All good, bro. That was beautiful.
He's warm. He's warmed up, that guy. This water just looks so good, man. This system is awesome. Really? He's got it again.
The big tail slap.
He just got buffed on service. Matty just raised one. He'll come back, surely.
Fucking, I'm getting.
You're hooked on it. Just fish, don't worry about it. Oh, he's on it. Oh, you got him, he's got him. He's got him. He stitched him.
Oh, fuck.
Yes, Matty Reynolds.
Yes.
Yeah, dude.
And he's round.
Oh, don't stand on your rod.
Yeah, bro. Oh, I got this shit.
Oh, he's stuck on this thing.
Ah.
Forget this thing.
He wasn't the thing that.
No, I don't know.
Look at the fatness on
I'm
it.
telling you, there are pigs up here, man. Look at this thing.
That's solid, eh?
They're fat little chunks, dude.
Well, look at that. Just beautiful. On the chump. Did have a fish come raise off the top just before him and switched it up. Beautiful, guys.
Yes, dude.
Yes. I'm pumped.
What a day. This arvo's gonna be sick. I'm already second guess. Oh shit. Oh. Already second guessing my bait choice, man. You boys have raised them up on top and shallow running.
Nope. Had a cod come up just before that. Was that what that was? Tail slap, bro.
Oh, this place is sick. Oh, Reynolds. You're killing me, man.
That's that one I missed.
Yep, that's him. It will be.
Another chunk, man.
What's your rods?
Look at that. Another fatty.
Dude.
Look at that, chomped it. Again, nice condition on it. Nice fat belly.
Yeah.
These fish in this system that
Fat,
Liam,
feel the tail rib. Like they're fat fruit. They're
They
fat.
are.
They're just fat.
Thanks.
They're in a good paddock.
All right, let's send him home.
Yes. Do you fish or want to eat a jig?
Get in there, Liam.
I'm down here, man.
I've already got
I'm
it
down to
now.
clown. Yep. Oh! They do want to eat jigs.
They do. That scared the shit out of me, man.
He had it. I chumped him.
Oh, he's...
Hey, guess what? They want to eat jigs, man.
Sick. That means they're eating baits. Whatever we throw at them.
You just catch them however you want to catch them, man. He was like, yeah. Stubbies can't take them to the dance. I'll have to drink them at home, he reckons.
Yeah.
I don't know how many dances he's going to. He mentioned going to the dances a few times. Yeah, that's sick, man. Catch him how you want to catch him. Oh, he's had it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he had it.
What the f is that?
He's a little guy.
Just a tiny guy?
Yeah, he had it. Yeah, he had it, and I sort of went, oh, is that? Oh, he's got it. Oh, look, he took my jig on my bait. He did.
He ripped it off.
He see, yeah. People say, Liam, you're just striking at timber. Nah, man. He had hold of the craw and the trailer on that jig. He held onto that and he just tore it off.
Yes, I got it on film. Oh shit!
You're going in, mate.
Look at the
Dude,
size of this fish.
For a 30-centimeter bass.
That is.
Look at the condition, man. Look at the condition.
Look how fat that thing is. Ew.
Dude.
That's just 3 out of this little stretch here, guys.
And whacked and stole my trailer and trying to fish and trying
It's
to...
gonna be a wicked afternoon.
Oh, man.
You.
Oh, shallow there. That's the spot over there, that corner. Yeah. Yep. Oh! He hit it on the drop and I didn't realise. I chumped it. He'd hit it clean on the drop and I was like, oh, what? Oh, shit. See what I mean? That you go, that's the spot. And it was the spot. Oh!
You know what?
Yeah. It's a bleeder. We got a bleeder.
Yep.
Oh, Reynolds.
That's the call.
That's it.
Surface and miss, throw the sub.
Another
Matty.
well-conditioned fat one, bro. There you go, guys. I knew he was there. He didn't take me, so I mixed it up, threw the chumper.
We are. Good stuff.
yeehaw.
I'm going to a chatterbait until I get trailers.
Just off the top. Just a little one. Can't complain though.
Killing me, man. You're killing me.
Ew. I am an afternoon boy, bruh. Not a morning person.
Wow.
Ew.
I'll get one here though. You watch this, Mitch.
Hold it.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, yes. Off the rod tip. Yes.
You did call the spot.
Yes. There we go. My first fish of the Arvo session. I've got a couple bites on that jig. I'm gonna have to say Matty Reynolds and Mitchell have botched it up and left my trailers at the car, but we can't say for certain. So there you go. On the chatterbait, went back to the little chatter. Yes, nice fish.
Oh.
Oh, you knew you had him.
See what I mean? He's there.
All right.
Get down in there and bro.
See if he wants a different bait.
Have a crack at him. You'll get him, bro. Down there, he's hungry. And that was a different one to the big one that I saw. There was a real big one down in there.
Oh, he hit it.
Did he?
Yep.
Yeah, he's a fat one.
Just
bro.
tapped it. I think you might have switched him on.
Here he is. William's just working this hole that I was working in. He's got a nice hit just before.
Oh, he hit it again.
He's hungry. He's a hungry bass.
What do you mean, if you can?
Yeah, bro. That's where I was getting whacked as well. See?
Oh!
I told you, man.
He come out of, he had his back out of the water
Yeah.
trying to eat that.
I told you, Lamb. You'll be in there, man.
No, I think they're wised up. That's crazy.
Yeah, that looks like a nice angle, bro. You might get that one that was whacking us
Yeah.
before.
Oh!
Oh, I was about to catch on your shoulders. I fucking saw that.
Different angle.
Yeah. It is a hard spot to set the hook, though.
Nah, they're wised up. You should see if you switch him again. Try yours. It might work. He wants that chomping now, surely. Oh, so cool, man. So cool, Matty Reynolds.
Look at that cutout and that bank on the other side, right where Liam's in front of that.
Yep.
Yes, Liam! Nice, mate!
He's only little, man. He's only little, but look where he was.
Liam.
Look where he was.
Well done, mate.
Look at that. That's so cool. Just a fat little guy.
So quick.
Oh, that's terrible. Oh, yes! Good fish, good fish.
Good fish!
Oh, he just hit hard. He's all right. He's all right. Yeah, this session, man, this day, boys, it's been epic. There's another little bass, man, little feisty bass. That is so sick, man. Yeah, it's red belly black country. Lucky they're already warmed up and hiding in their holes. Oh, I'm gonna get buffed here. This is gonna get eaten. Yeah, oh! Dude, legit.
Picked the wrong spot.
Off the rod tip, right at this edge of this bank. Yeah!
Oh! That was so cool!
How cool is that, man?
So cool, Liam. Is he gonna do it again?
Oh, he did it again! Oh, man.
No, I just got yours.
Oh, dude, you're kidding me. He's got him. Matty.
Yeah, I'm just gonna get your fish.
Oh, man, how crazy.
Nice little fat one.
Dude, this is epic, man. This is crazy. One of us is gonna get railed here. Oh, get off of there. Yep. Off the rod tip. Oh shit, he's like a foot off the tip.
That's awesome, Liam. Good fish.
No, he's not like no Mitchell Annis Brown special, but hey.
I did say there'd be a fish in here.
That's a cool fish.
Nice.
Oh, Matty Reynolds!
You see that?
Oh, Mitch is balls deep.
Yeah, what a bass.
Oh, he's a good one.
Yeah, man, he's solid. Look at that girth on it, mate. Big girth on it. Nice, fat, healthy bass. Just on the chumper. Look at that thickness on the tail, mate.
Yeah, man. I'm telling
Look
you,
at that.
the tail wrist, the fat in the body, just fat
Big
bodies,
shoulders.
not bellies, just bodies.
That's just awesome.
Woo! Yes, Mitch.
Yes,
Yes!
Mitch.
Yes!
Yes, Mitch. Good on you, mate.
Yes!
Mitch with his nice bass.
That's a halfway deep.
He's like a third of the size of that first one you got.
Yeah, it's only a small fish.
That's sick.
Right.
We just need, oh, right at my feet as I was lifting it up. We just need one more of them. Oh no! Yes.
How good's that?
We just need one more of those giant things like Mitch caught. Oh, he had it again. Put yours there, Mitch, white one. He'll eat this. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh! He hit Mitch.
Oh, I can see a bit of a dust pool coming up.
Yeah, he was there. All right, so he went off white again. Let's see if he hits purple again.
Dumbest fish in history if you land that.
How cool is bass fishing?
When it's close quarters like this.
This is intense.
Fishing, I reckon you can sort of take. Oh,
Whoa, where the hell are you going?
hell. That's where I wanted to be.
Matty, you need to put a chump along this run here. There's a fish there to be caught.
Yep.
Oh yeah, oh good fish.
Oh,
Oh, I got all that though, dude.
that was sick. That was a good fish.
How good is it?
Matty, get in there. Yep, I'm on.
Oh man,
That was a good fish.
that was a good one.
Oh,
Hit it again.
just got whacked.
Oh, there are some fish in here.
Yep.
Oh, Matty Reynolds.
Oh, that's
This kid.
sorry too.
This kid. This kid. Whoa!
Look at that. Oh.
How good is it?
I'll let some of this line go.
That's not the one you hooked before either.
Nah, he wasn't. That one was a bit bigger. Nice bass again, guys.
What's that, about your 70th for the day?
Starting to catch up now. Just on the
As if.
chumper.
He's killing it.
Ew.
This guy. Oh, this guy. Wow. Boys. Oh, there's my favourite. Stinging nettle. Love this stuff.
His favourite too.
Oh, you just rub it on yourself just to know you're alive.
Not one fucking rain.
Oh, yep. Oh, yeah. Yep, yeah. Off the rod tip again.
Nice.
Solid fish too.
I love it, man. I love it. There's nothing in this pool. This pool sucks. Bam!
Yeah, good bass.
Oh, shit. He's a bit heavier when I...
Oh, that's a solid.
That's a
He's solid.
bass,
He is.
Liam.
Look at that thing. That is a creek fatty, man. Just on that purple and black hula chat. That's crazy. That's fat. The condition on those, we've had the best session. Like honestly, that's the icing on the cake. This day has been one to remember. Yeah, man. Oh man.
Nice.
Yes. See, that could be all it is. Switch one on. Switch one on and his mates want to play.
Oh, he's a good fish too.
Yeah, man. This is crazy. That's so cool, dude.
Fat little bass, mate. Nice.
Same log you just pulled yours off.
That is so cool. Yep.
Oh,
Oh, this guy.
look at big whack.
This guy. Oh, this guy.
Yep.
He's got him? Oh, yeah. Oh, tight quarters, man. Whoa, shit, I'm falling. I'm trying to film. And where's you going, dude? Yes, man.
There we go. Nice bass. Again on the chumper.
You reckon that was the first one that swirled on you?
Possibly.
Might be more in
I
there.
had a couple of hits in there. Hey, these fish are just so fat and solid.
They're fucking 30, what, 30s is the minimum we've
Yeah.
seen.
Yeah. Where are the little 20s? They're not up here. Yep.
Told you he was in there.
I'm saying that. Oh no, he's not that tiny. Whoa, Mitch! He's just grabbed
You
on.
want me to hold on to it for a double?
Yeah, man, go nuts.
Ew.
Look at that. Doubles.
Gotta love it, guys.
Yes.
Oh, got him. Oh,
Oh, dude.
You'll get him.
Get him, Mitch.
You'll get him, Mitchie.
Here he comes.
Oh.
He wanted it. Oh, he wanted it. Oh.
that's ridiculous. And he hasn't felt hooks yet, so he's gonna.
You got one more and I'm showing him a purple one.
Yeah, one more and up.
Yeah, the chump's going in. Flying in front of you. All right, next pool. Oh man, I sound like a broken record there, eh? But this is.
Got him, got him.
Oh, dude!
Get him?
Yeah, he's got him.
Nice, Mitch. Nice, mate.
Got airborne.
Man, people are gonna watch this video and just be like, "Dude, you're kidding, aren't you?" Look at where this guy is. This is why this guy catches fish. You've got to go above and beyond.
You.
Look at this.
So you do it, man.
Yes, I told you you'd get him.
Good bass. It's a haul.
Is this guy onto another giant?
Oh, thanks.
Yeah, dude. How good is it?
Oh man, they just Again, he hit it, nothing.
Let's see if you fired him up in here. Oh yeah! Oh. Off the rod tip. Dude, see, you fired him up. You get, oh, this is, well, that's, you get one, they fire up.
I'm getting on this guy.
Look at that. Have a cast, see if we get a third.
Oh,
Oh, mid-air collision.
they were good bass, guys. Well done, Mitch.
Oh man, this
Cracker.
Fish, man.
I'd hate to try and count. How many we got now?
Well, you can when you get home.
Oh, I don't really want to, but.
If you can.
As long as we've got 5 each, I'm happy.
Oh shit, that in.
Oh yeah, I think I only just got 5. I like how it just always brings us back together.
Yeah, that's right. Couple fish and everyone's back casting the same little pool.
It does though, like you like say, you put a heap of casts in, old mate turned on, next cast I throw in, old mate's bam, I want what he had.
Like, it's no coincidence that one person catches a fish, everyone casts on their tail and hooks up.
For every man that said there was a big fish in his pump shed.
Righty. Righty, we'll catch him.
Scared the shit out of me. I was like,
Yes! Yeah man, he's not huge, he's just carving.
is he a big one?
Nah, not huge, but just carving.
He's not small either though.
Nah, he just carved though, didn't he? See if that switched some on. He's all right. He's all right.
He is all right.
That's why he was carving and playing up. He's a good one. He's good. He's good. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Look at the condition on these things. He carved, he took drag. That's probably the best I've got for this spot, the Savo. Yeah, by far, surely. Just on that chatter, man, the hula chat, confidence bait. You know, I was gonna fish jig, lost the trailers, series of unfortunate events, but yeah, look at that. Yeah. To quote Matty Reynolds, you got to be happy with that, guys. You. Oh man, I just that first fish that Mitch got. Oh man.
That was a day maker, man.
I'll send you those pictures after I have a bong memory at home.
Yeah, he's fantastic.
But
Something to feed my Insta and Facebook.
Oh, I'm gonna get buffed here.